Okay, my problem is in I think it's like the third surgery into the game. It's called A Real Doctor. That's the part I'm having problems with.
Let's begin.
Why do I keep having problems with this? It's like a beginner bloody surgery. Can somebody please explain to me why the hell the vitals just drop like hell in this one? This makes Trauma Center, like Trauma Team, look like 1,000,000% better. Look, now I'm having problems loading the fucking needle. I'm gonna jack up the guy's vitals again here. Sometimes I think there might be a glitch with my game or something. I think there might be a glitch with this game because of the fact that some weird shit's been happening with it lately. Okay, this is where the problem happens every single time. Okay, people? Watch this, okay? Okay, load the guy up here. This happens to me every single time. Get ready for this, okay? Watch this. Okay, no, not that. Fuck, I hate stitching on this thing. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. Okay, here comes the problem, okay. See? It won't ever let you put the Band-Aid on. Has anybody ever had this problem before? The bandage will not go on. And then what the fuck's the vitals going down? Who wants to watch me kill my patient due to shoddy bandaging?
You have to be careful.
Oh, shut up, Angie. What kind of patient dies from really
Vitals dropping.
bad, what kind of patient dies from getting, God damn it, Angie's ugly. Oh, fuck. Seriously, what kind of patient, this person's a weakling, because what kind of patient dies from shitty ass putting gauze on? It'd be like this, okay, this is my reenactment of that very thing, okay? Gauze! My vitals are going down. Ow! Ooh, fluffy. God, makes me have pain. Ow! It hurts so bad. you killed her. Dr. Styles! Dr. Styles! Dr. Styles! Dr. Styles! Shut up, Angie! Ow! Dr. Styles! Why did you do that? What kind of patient dies from coughs? You do, Angie. Dr. Styles is not very nice. Oh, it hurts so bad. Seriously, what kind of person would die due to gauze? Oh, it's so poisonous and bad. It's gauze. You're just to cover up a wound. Doesn't fucking kill you. What, gauze has a gun now? Fuck. Seriously, what kind of patient dies from gauze? Must be some sort of fucking glitch in my game or something. Something's fucked up in that system.